with you guys! Your Barbie is not a mermaid!
You can't play with us!
Oh, no, my Barbie! Look what they've done to you! Oh, I'll make you the best mermaid ever!
Such a lovely day. And Ken is here with me. Wow, he's so handsome.
Hey, beautiful, look what I've got for you.
Oh, Ken, it's so romantic. Thank you.
Huh? Kiss the mermaid.
What?
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Let's go, Ken.
Sure.
Live this ugly one. Oh, no. He likes mermaids more. Oh, look at this handsome one. He's gorgeous.
And I was like, give me the ball. And boom.
I'm better than her. He just needs to see me.
What? Barbie?
Hi, Ken.
Sorry, Barbie. Mermaids are better.
Just leave her. Aw, he likes mermaids more. What's wrong with me? What, the legs? Right, it must be it. Yet no challenge will ever stop me. But what I need to do? If you want to be a mermaid, you will need a tail. Oh, hope it won't hurt. But you're right, let's do it. First, let's change my shoes. These flippers will do so much better. Now some duct tape. All over it. Great. And now I need something shiny.
Try these.
Ugh. This one, no. This is just what I need. Just pour it all up here. The more, the better. Nice and shiny. Done. Another one? Nope. Now I look fabulous. Huh? Now you need to match the tail to your bra. To my bra? All right. And what could I use for it? These sweet beauties? Let's try some flowers on. No, not the best choice. What do we have here? Yellow journal style? Nah. My little ones? Also no. Oh, what to do? It's so hard to... Oh, this one looks nice. Let's try it on. Perfect. So nice and fancy. But my hair? All the mermaids have so bright and fancy hair. Let's pick up a color. Green? Nah. Orange? Also no. Yellow? Looks better, but no. Red? Yes, this might work. I just need to reach the machine. Here it is. So we'll put this one here. Put my hair too. And start the machine. Oh, well, it was worth it. Wow. And the clothes? Oopsie. That wasn't me, guys. Finally. What? Just wash it up, wash it off. Oops. Where was it? I need my face back. Phew, it's me again. But I still don't look like a mermaid. All right, let's add some fancy shadows. And put it right on the eyelids. Aha! The result is brilliant! Ooh, my stomach! I just need to order some food. Real Mermaids one.
Knock, knock, mermaid's delivery.
Ow, so fast! What have we got here? Fish? Ew, so smelly! Yet, you know what? This shiny skin might look really great on my face. Let's put this on. Choose the right shadow. and put it gently right above it. Really carefully. Take it off, and here we are, nice and shiny. And what's here? Pearls, fabulous! Let's add some too! Wow, this way it looks fantastic! Ow, what is it? A letter? Help? Oh, whatever. I'll just enjoy some water. Oh, Ken, I wish one day you will be mine.
Yes, beautiful.
Huh? How is this? Oh, my lips! Though, it's not that bad. Just let's try it with some lipstick now. Just a little bit. Put it on. And voila! Beautiful! Wait! Earring! I need some earring! Let's make some too! Just choose up a form. Add some mermaid details. Stick it up together, very carefully. And add some pearls and glitter. Almost ready. Let's take a look. First and the second. Right what I needed.
Wow!
Now I look like a mermaid.
Yay!
So do you like how I look like? You look perfect. Ken is waiting.
Yes!
Knock, knock.
Wait, who might it be?
Mermaid's delivery.
What? I didn't order it. Wait a minute. This voice, is it...
Wow, Barbie, you look so beautiful.
Oh, Ken.
Barbie!
Hey, look! It's her! It's actually Barbie!
Barbie, over here!
Hi, everyone! Thank you so much for coming out. I love walks on the beach and cruising in my convertible. And of course, my honey Ken.
No, guys, no photo, no photo, no.
She's so pretty! We are coming for you, Barbie! Wow, such a gorgeous kid! Here! Whoa! On its belly! Get me out of here!
Barbie, oh, Barbie.
Where did she go? I don't understand. We have lost Barbie.
It's so cute out of here.
Hi, Barbie.
Hi, Ken. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Brittany. Hey, I found her. She's here. I can't believe it.
Barbie!
Love you!
Oh, no. Hi. Easy there. Nice to meet you.
No!
These fans are driving me crazy. I can't believe like this. I hate this popularity.
Where did she
Where
go?
is Barbie?
Over there. Let's go.
Did she disappear?
This trash stinks.
Hi there. Can you help me, please?
No way. Are you really Barbie? You are so pretty.
Not you too.
Wait.
Never mind.
Just stick with me, okay? Yeah, is she here? She went that way.
Are they gone? They have no idea I was there. But that's enough trash for me. Thanks. Now I stink.
Oh, wait.
Do I have to stay here?
Come on in. Did you love it? Don't mind all the Barbie stuff. It can all come down. Oh, wait. Don't look over there. You like pink walls, right? No more posters. See?
Whatever. It's fine.
Get them all down. Don't worry. This one is on tight. What's that?
Wait, real life? Breaking news!
Barbie is lost.
Breaking news. Barbie was last seen near a swimming pool.
Tomorrow in the Northwest.
Yes, we're working hard on finding Barbie. Hi, Mom. And we will find her.
Is there anything else going on in the world? Huh? Who could that be? Let me see.
Really?
Can again? You talk.
Okay. Can?
Barbie, where are you?
Don't even call me again. Bye.
She's so dramatic.
No more phone. I'm hungry.
But your phone. Oh.
Is there anything good in here? Like this milk. I can work with this. There, a nice big glass. Cheers! Oh, so fresh. Ah, delicious!
I don't know what I just watched, but I was thinking pizza. Here you go. It's from my favorite spot. We'll start with a cheese pie. I'll teach you, okay? Open wide. Now bite. Very good, Barbie. Keep going.
What next?
Seriously, must I show you everything? You too. Again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Get it? Is it good enough to swallow now? So good.
I don't know. Oh, wow! It was delightful! Give me all the pizza! How fast can it smell?
Glad you like it.
Oh, I just can't get enough. What's this? Interesting. I love it. On the second bite.
Oh, girl. Oh, she ate a hot pepper. My eggs. They are cooked and ready to go now. Thank you. You're welcome, Mom. I can't believe you did that. What? Shut up! I hate those things! Man, I slept like a log! I feel refreshed! Whoa.
What a beautiful day! I had the best dream! Good morning!
First things first, time to go take a shower! Whoa!
Sounds like great fun to me!
I'm so tired!
This soap smells heavenly!
I can't stand!
Let's brush these pearly whites!
I have to go!
Good idea!
I have to get to class!
I'll come with you!
Really? I didn't...
Barbie, let me touch your hair. Is it really you? We love you. I'm coming in.
Okay, you can go like this. Here.
Wow!
Okay, choose your outfit. Look at all these clothes.
You got it! What do you think of this one? I love a dusty pink. Well?
Let's see. Next.
Really? Fine. How about this fit? Do you like it?
Come on. No.
So picky. Okay, just one more. Ta-da! This one is my favorite.
Barbie, that's definitely a no. Wear this.
Really?
And this.
Wow! No pink?
It needs just one more thing. There.
Wow!
Now we are talking.
I'm like a purple princess.
Cool. But we still have to deal with this. Bye-bye, pink. It's time for something new. Can these things bend any other way? It's like this. Stop.
What are you doing?
Trying to flatten them. Yes, finally.
No! Anything but flat feet! I am ruined! My trajectory! How do people walk in this thing?
What, Bobby? Move those legs. Go, go, go. Oopsie. Good morning, sir. Can we have a seat, please?
Back there.
Oh, great. I made it. Barbie. Oh, where is she? Oh, no.
Hi, Ken.
Stop calling me like that. Sit down.
Hi, Ken.
What? Who's Ken? I'm Chris.
Come on, Barbie. She'll never learn. Why won't she come sit down?
Let me think. Oh, she looks so familiar. Is that Barbie? Oh no, never mind, just saying hey. This is awfully strange. They're like twins. Are you sure about that? Nothing gets past me. Something is very fishy here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Isn't that a bit overkill?
Let me see your eyes. Nice to meet you. Of course you're not Barbie. Barbie's way more beautiful, right? Wait, what's that? It's a Barbie barcode. I can see it. Is it really true? Let me see something. Where is your code? Look, it's right here. I knew it. Guys, she's Barbie.
What? Actually, I am. See ya!
Did she really just do that? Hold on!
Let's go get Barbie.
Come on! Stop right there! You think you're fast? I'm going first!
Seriously?
Come on! What are we waiting for?
Oh no! Hurry!
No, bad idea.
Go, 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 go! Barbie, wait!
We love you. Click in here. I can't see that.
Barbie! Barbie, wait!
Hopefully this one is empty.
Run!
Come on and join the party.
Love you, Barbie!
Faster, guys, come on, come on.
Don't move. Whew. Finally some peace. I don't want to be Barbie anymore.
But it's so fun! You get so much attention!
You call that fun? Wait a minute. She kinda looks like you.
What are you saying?
I'm ready to get out of this mess. I have an idea. Starting with this teeny tiny heel. Catch my drift? Here we go. Got it! The cutest. Wanna try them on?
Definitely! The perfect fit! I'm feeling fabulous already! But it's gonna take some practice! I'm going down! Oh no! I should have seen that coming!
The clothes! Wait a minute. Is it just me or are you looking super cute?
Hey, look! It's so pretty!
Come on!
Oh, what do you mean?
You're on!
Yeah!
I can't believe it!
There are way too many people!
You got this! Go!
Probably because I look so gorgeous! These heels are okay! Still getting used to them though! Did anybody see that? Oops, can you help me?
Huh?
I gotta pause this.
Me too. That's so mean! I'll help you.
But,
Come on, let's get out of here.
okay, fine. Karma will get you! Oh my goodness! Did I really do all that? You guys will all get what's coming to you! I curse you all of you!
Maybe they'll forget.
We will never forget about it, Barbie!
At least I look good.
That's for sure.